What characterized the growth rate of industrial production during the period of structural retrogression? A. Deceleration. B. Stagnation. C. Healthy growth. D. Significant increase. The correct answer is A. Deceleration. What type of particles did James Chadwick discover? A. Chargeless particles. B. Positive rays. C. Protons. D. Elementary particles. The correct answer is A. Chargeless particles. What is the purpose of having mirrors inclined to each other in a kaleidoscope? A. To focus light onto a single point. B. To create numerous image patterns. C. To reduce the number of images. D. To magnify the object. The correct answer is B. To create numerous image patterns. Which desert is the largest in Asia? A. Taklamakan Desert. B. Thar Desert. C. Arabian Desert. D. Gobi Desert. The correct answer is C. Arabian Desert. Which of these organisms is an example of a prokaryote mentioned in the text? A. Protozoa. B. Mycoplasma. C. Fungi. D. Algae. The correct answer is B. Mycoplasma. What was land for the maintenance of the school referred to as? A. Velamvagai. B. Shalbhoga. C. Devdana. D. Brahmadeya. The correct answer is B. Shalbhoga. What structure found on the leaf regulates the opening and closing of the stomata? A. Guard cells. B. Petiole. C. Cuticle. D. Veins. The correct answer is A. Guard cells. What was Buddha's stance regarding rituals and sacrifices? A. He believed they were necessary for salvation. B. He was opposed to them. C. He saw them as optional practices. D. He strongly advocated for them. The correct answer is B. He was opposed to them. If a heavy solid settles down in a liquid, what is the next likely step to separate the liquid? A. Heating. B. Decantation. C. Churning. D. Adding more solid. The correct answer is B. Decantation. What is the filtrate called after it passes through the glomerulus and Bowman's capsule? A. Blood plasma. B. Urinary concentrate. C. Glomerular filtrate. D. Renal filtrate. The correct answer is C. Glomerular filtrate. Which entity is responsible for the conduct of foreign relations of India? A. Ministry of External Affairs. B. Ministry of Defense. C. Ministry of Finance. D. Ministry of Home Affairs. The correct answer is A. Ministry of External Affairs. During which century were the European companies active while Mughal authority was still powerful? A. 16th century. B. 17th century. C. 18th century. D. 19th century. The correct answer is B. 17th century. When did the sepoys at Barakpur refuse to go to Burma by sea? A. 1850. Born in 1857. Circa 1908. D. 1824. The correct answer is D. 1824. What is one of the major varieties of paddy grown in Tamil Nadu? A. Pony. B. Arborio. C. Basmati. D. Jasmine. The correct answer is A. Pony. What happened in the year 1950? A. National anthem adopted. B. National song adopted. C. Republic Day. D. Independence Day. The correct answer is C. Republic Day. What kind of solution is indicated by a solute reappearing as crystals when disturbed? A. Dilute solution. B. Saturated solution. C. Unsaturated solution. D. Supersaturated solution. The correct answer is D. Supersaturated solution. What does Fleming's right-hand rule typically describe? A. The induced current in a generator. B. The direction of magnetic field lines. C. The operation of a transformer. D. The force on a current-carrying wire. The correct answer is A. The induced current in a generator. In a double displacement reaction, which types of ions are typically interchanged? A. Only cations. B. Only neutral atoms. C. Only anions. D. Both cations and anions. The correct answer is D. Both cations and anions. What is the importance of dissolved carbon dioxide in water? A. It contributes to specific latent heat. B. It supports aquatic plant life. C. It causes permanent hardness. D. It creates temporary hardness. The correct answer is B. It supports aquatic plant life. Which two ports are the most important fishing centers in Peru? A. Amazon and Tierra del Fuego. B. Argentina and South America. C. Peta and Callao. D. Falkland and Uruguay. The correct answer is C. Peta and Callao. What was a primary threat to the Bahmani kingdom from the north? A. Vijayanagar expansion. B. Malwa and Gujarat. C. Persian invaders. D. Deccan sultanates. The correct answer is B. Malwa and Gujarat. What is another name for mariculture? A. Lake farming. B. River farming. C. Sea farming. D. Pond farming. The correct answer is C. Sea farming. What is produced when sodium hydroxide reacts with an acid, specifically mentioned in the context of ions combining? A. Sodium bicarbonate and carbon dioxide. B. Sodium carbonate and hydrogen gas. C. Sodium sulfate and oxygen gas. D. Sodium chloride salt and water. The correct answer is D. Sodium chloride salt and water. Besides natural disasters, what other type of disaster is discussed? A. Man-made disasters. B. Political disasters. C. Economic disasters. D. Philosophical disasters. The correct answer is A. Man-made disasters. From which courts can the Supreme Court of India move cases to itself? A. Only high courts. B. Any courts. C. Only courts within the same state. D. Only lower courts. The correct answer is B. Any courts. What is responsible for pushing water upward in the xylem to some extent? A. Gravitational force. B. Capillary action. C. Root pressure. D. Transpiration pull. The correct answer is C. Root pressure. What is the function of the biceps muscle in the human arm? A. It straightens the elbow. B. It is an extensor. C. It is a flexor. D. It relaxes to bend the elbow. The correct answer is C. It is a flexor. What describes the length between compressions in a sound wave? A. Frequency. B. Wavelength. C. Vibration. D. Amplitude. The correct answer is B. Wavelength. Which building materials are advantageous to find near settlements? A. Glass and aluminum. B. Plastic and rubber. C. Steel and concrete. D. Wood, stone, and clay. The correct answer is D. Wood, stone, and clay. The Yavana era commenced from which century BC, BCE, in India? A. 3rd century BC, BCE. B. 2nd century BC, BCE. C. 4th century BC, BCE. D. 1st century BC, BCE. The correct answer is B. 2nd century BC, BCE. How did you score?